Hello everyone. So our next topic is variables and also the program based on integer data type values, then floating point data type values, then character data type values, and etc. So first we'll talk about the variables. Okay, variables are used to store the data and provides store data when needed. Okay, so just like in other programming languages, PHP supports variables also. So let's now look at the rules followed when creating a variable in PHP. So first point is all the variable names must start with the dollar sign. Okay. So obviously here you all can see dollar sign and then name of the variable. Variable names are case sensitive. That means if I write dollar my underscore var, everything is in the lowercase letters. So it is different from your dollar and everything in uppercase because it is a case sensitive language. All variable names must start with the letters followed by other characters. That means if I write dollar my underscore var1, it is valid, it is legal. But if I write dollar, but if I start with the number that is 1 and then if I write my underscore var, that is not a legal variable name. Variable names must not contain any spaces. That means if I write dollar first then space and then name, it is not a legal variable name. And last, you can instead use underscore in place of what? Space. That means dollar first and then underscore and then name. This is legal variable name. So now we will focus on a very basic or very simple level of program where we are going to check integer value, floating point value and character values, and we will print also using echo. So we have a very small program. So here you all can see it is very simple that first of all less than question mark PHP start and last line, that is this one, which is question mark and greater than sign indicates PHP ends. Now obviously just now only we discussed about the variable names, so dollar sign and whatever name you want to give you can give. Here it is my underscore var and equal to 1. That means we are writing or we are holding what? Integer value. Okay, and after this I will write echo. Obviously echo, that is for printing purpose. And suppose you want to print this variable values, then we will write dollar sign then my underscore var, that is the name of the variable, and control s obviously to save the file. So that is the first thing. Second thing is this is our XAMPP control panel, so we have to start Apache and MySQL both. So we'll start that also and we'll minimize this screen. And now using the Google Chrome, okay, that is by writing localhost, and obviously we are using the same file, that is hello world.php. In the same file we are doing that modification. Okay, so you all can see it is showing me that value or answer as what? 1. Now suppose if I change the code, for example 1.55 something like this. So now we know it is a floating point value, control s, and here also we'll just quickly refresh. So it is showing floating point answer. And suppose if I write something in string, today is Saturday. Okay, between the double quotation and control s. Okay, and refresh this. See, so it works like. Thank you everyone.